Have you ever encountered someone seemingly less intelligent who rakes more than the resident brainiac? Or ever wondered why some seemingly successful people might not be the textbook definition of a genius? I know, it can be a head-scratcher. But the truth is, intelligence is just one piece of the success puzzle. Earning potential is influenced by a complex web of factors, and sometimes, it feels like the smartest person in the room isn't the one raking in the big bucks. This thought-provoking video dives into the surprising reasons why dumb and smart don't always translate to rich and poor. We'll crack open the code of success and explore success rates across the intelligence spectrum, revealing the unexpected skills and qualities that can propel you to financial freedom regardless of your grades. Prepare to be surprised because we'll uncover hidden paths to success stories, explore the power of personality traits you wouldn't expect. So, ditch the textbooks for a minute and join me on a journey that redefines what it means to be successful. Dive in and see why street smarts might just be the secret weapon you've been overlooking. You might just discover that your untapped potential holds the key to financial security. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, we really encourage you to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be sure you'll always get notified whenever we release a new video. This will also encourage us to produce more amazing contents like this. Alright. Just so you know, measuring success solely on intelligence is tricky. Intelligence itself exists on a spectrum, with IQ tests as a common, albeit imperfect gauge. Here's a glimpse into potential trends, acknowledging the existence of countless exceptions: high, mid-range, and low intelligence. While individuals with high IQs often excel in academic pursuits and professions requiring exceptional analytical and problem-solving skills, those with low cognitive abilities may find success more challenging. However, strong support systems, targeted skill development, and unwavering perseverance can lead to success in specific fields. It is also worthy to note that those with mid-range intelligence tend to find success in a wider range of fields. Their interests, skills, and work ethic become key drivers. Soft skills like communication, collaboration, and emotional intelligence take center stage, allowing them to excel in diverse professions from management to customer service. As earlier said, earning potential is influenced by a complex web of factors, and sometimes, it feels like the smartest person in the room isn't the one raking in the big bucks. Now let's explore some reasons behind this perception. 1. Job choice and passion. Imagine two brilliant minds, Sarah, a passionate researcher in marine biology, and Michael, a whiz at sales and marketing. Sarah's research might unlock groundbreaking discoveries, but her salary might not compete with Michael's ability to close deals. This isn't to say Sarah isn't successful. Her work could have a profound impact on the environment. On one hand, some fields, like research or teaching, often prioritize knowledge over immediate financial gain. On the other hand, fields like sales or business ownership can offer high earning potential, even if the work itself might not require the same level of academic intelligence. So, you decide what you really want. While deciding, ensure you're certain of your self-awareness. While academic intelligence is valuable, it's crucial to understand your strengths and weaknesses. Are you passionate about a lower-paying field? Or can you find ways to supplement your income? Either by starting a business with high potential or leveraging your intellectual strength to create a business you're passionate about? It's all up to you. 2. Soft skills matter. Imagine a brilliant engineer who can't explain their ideas simply or struggles to work in a team. Their intelligence might be wasted if they can't communicate effectively or collaborate with others. People perceived as less intelligent might naturally possess strong soft skills. They might be charismatic, persuasive, and excel at building relationships, propelling them to leadership positions or successful sales careers. As you move along in your success journey, be sure to sharpen your soft skills, develop marketable skills, perfect your negotiation and general communication skills. Take communication workshops, practice public speaking, and actively seek feedback on your teamwork abilities. Employ strategic networking, build relationships with colleagues, mentors, and potential employers. Strong connections can open doors to new opportunities. Also, become a leader. Don't shy away from leadership roles. Your intelligence, combined with honed soft skills, can make you an invaluable asset to any team. If you made it to this point, congratulations. And by the way, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to be sure you'll always get notified whenever we release a new video. This will also encourage us to produce more amazing contents like this. The third reason behind the perception that the smartest person in the room isn't the one raking in the big bucks is the Dunning-Kruger effect. This interesting phenomenon describes how some people with lower levels of ability tend to overestimate their intelligence. They might appear confident and assertive, even if their knowledge is lacking. On the other hand, truly intelligent people might underestimate their abilities and struggle to promote themselves. This can create a situation where someone with less knowledge appears more capable, simply because they project more confidence. People experiencing the Dunning-Kruger effect might come across as highly confident and self-assured, qualities that can be attractive to employers, especially in fields that value assertiveness. To help yourself improve, always embrace self-promotion. Don't be afraid to showcase your accomplishments. Practice articulating your skills and experiences confidently without being arrogant. Also seek feedback. Ask trusted colleagues or mentors for honest feedback on your strengths and areas you can improve. Now, I tag this taking risks and hustle. That's the fourth reason behind the perception that the smartest person in the room isn't the one raking in the big bucks. Taking risks and hustle. Let's look at two examples from different parts of the world. In India, millions of young people are turning to entrepreneurship. Many might not have formal education, but they possess the drive and hustle to build successful businesses. Similarly, in China, the rise of e-commerce giants like Alibaba is fueled by entrepreneurs who are brilliant at spotting business opportunities and taking calculated risks. Here's the thing. Even if you don't plan to start your own business, it's important to develop an entrepreneurial mindset, learn to think creatively and identify opportunities. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and take calculated risks that could lead to career advancement. Also learn from failures and setbacks. Persistence is key to overcoming challenges and achieving success. The fifth reason behind the perception that the smartest person in the room isn't the one raking in the big bucks is location. Location. A software developer in Silicon Valley, USA, might earn significantly more than one with similar skills working in a smaller town. This is because certain industries and locations simply pay more due to factors like demand and cost of living. Although the adoption of remote work has largely mitigated this, many companies still prefer hybrids so they can see you in the office and would always consider proximity. People perceived as less intelligent might be more willing to relocate for higher-paying opportunities. They might prioritize financial gain over geographical ties, allowing them to benefit from location-based salary bumps. Note that not all high earners are unintelligent. It's important to remember that many high-paying professions require significant intelligence and skill. Surgeons, lawyers, and top executives all need years of education and training to excel. However, while intelligence is definitely a valuable asset, it's not the only factor that determines earning potential. Success is a combination of skills, personality traits, opportunities, and even a bit of luck. So, focus on developing a well-rounded skill set that includes both knowledge, that is, hard skills, and communication, teamwork, and adaptability, which are soft skills. Don't underestimate the value of passion. If you love what you do, you'll be more likely to find success, even if it doesn't guarantee the biggest paycheck. Be confident in your abilities, but also be realistic about your strengths and weaknesses. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding your path, utilizing your strengths, and constantly learning and growing. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, we really encourage you to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be sure you'll always get notified whenever we release a new video. This will also encourage us to produce more amazing contents like this. Click on any of the videos on your to further equip yourself as you journey to your success.